Hey, Create My Story family. Happy Monday. Welcome all my leaders out there. Tonight, I want to discuss one thing. Are you filling your cup with balance, or are you emptying yourself with imbalance? And I really want to unpack that for all my leaders out there. Are you constantly neglecting your boundaries, constantly depleting yourself, feeling less energized, pouring into your work, pouring into your dreams, but not being filled? Or are you setting those healthy boundaries that allow you to focus your blocks of time and say you need to be focused for this amount of time and give your best amount of effort, because we know neurologically that's going to produce the best work and allow you to be more rested, which is going to help you feel more filled? Or are you pouring from an empty cup where you constantly having to give excuse after excuse after excuse to all the important people of your life, and they're resenting you because you're spending so much time and energy focused on this thing? Or are you pouring from a full cup, being filled by allowing yourself to have time for those people that truly love you and enhance you in life? Are you pouring from an empty cup by allowing yourself to be the emotional baggage for everybody else, always letting yourself get hit with all the different emotional toil that goes on? Or are you able to fill yourself by allowing you to realize that you're human, you're allowed to communicate your own emotions and express those healthy? So again, I want you to really think about something tonight. Are you depleting yourself by being imbalanced? Or are you allowing yourself to be filled by living a balanced, aligned life? If you want to be healthier, happier, have better relationships, have more prestige, do what you do best, even better, then start allowing yourself to focus on being filled, being filled, being filled by the things that you know you need to be doing.